Hello students, I am Charulata Medkar from Samarpan Gyan School. This is mathematics class for standard 10. This is lesson number 8. Examples of complementary angles and their ratios. Just revise some rules which we learned in the previous lecture. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. And cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. Now depending on some rules, depending on these complementary angles and their ratios, we see some examples. Suppose sin 18 is given to you. Then sin 18 can be written as using sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin 18 is equal to sin 18 can written as 90 minus 72 because 90 minus 72 is 18 or 72 plus 18 is equal to 90. Therefore, we split the 18 as 90 minus 72. Then it will be what? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Then it is cos 72. Second way, or you can change, instead of angle you change the ratio. Sin theta means sin 18 is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Theta means 18. These are the two ways. Then cos. What is 90 minus 18? It is 72. Means you go by changing the angle or by changing the ratio. Both way you are getting the same answer. See one more example. Suppose you have given tan of 23. Then what you can do for tan 23? Yes, anybody? Tan can be changes and see the formula. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Using that, tan 23 is cot 90 minus 23. Then cot, what is 90 minus 23? Do the calculation fast and tell me what is 90 minus 23. Correct. It is cot 67. Second way, instead of changing tan and cot, we are changing 23 angle. It is tan 90 minus 67. Why? 23 can be written as 90 minus 67. Then tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Means by any way you are getting the same answer. By here also same answer. Got it? Now using this technique we will solve exercise 8.3 from your NCERT textbook. Okay? And I think in my textbook it is page number 189. Is that clear? See the first example now. What is given? Evaluate. Evaluate means find the value of. And first one is there given. Sine of 18 degree upon cos of 72 degree. Now I explain that what is sine 18. That is cos 72. Then I will write for sine 18 cos 72 upon what is cos 72 downside as it is in denominator, and same number divided to the number gives ratio 1. Okay. See the second one now. It is given that tan 26 upon cot 64. Cot 64. These are the degrees. Don't forget to write the degree. Okay. Now tan can be written as what? Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. That is tan is cot minus 26. And down in denominator cot is 64 as it is. Now 90 minus 26 is what? 64. Then cot 64 upon cot 64 gives you the answer 1. See the third example from the exercise now. It is given that cos 48 minus sin 42. Now cos can be written as sin 90 minus 48 minus sin 42. No need of changing both ratios. Change any one only. Here also we are changing one. Here also we are changing one. Change in any one. Then sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. And what is the value of cos theta here? 90 minus 48 is 42. Means it is cos 42 minus sin 90 minus 48 is sin 42 minus sin 42. Clear? Cos 90, cos 48 is sin 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48 is 42. Sin is as it is. Then it will be what? Sin 42 as it is. Then sin 42 minus sin 42. Answer is 0. Clear? In this way we will solve. You will solve the remaining problems from the same exercise. It's quite easy. From same exercise I will solve one problem which is asked to 2020 board exam now, this year recently. Okay. This is question number 6. Okay. From exercise question number 6. What is the question? A, B and C are the interiors of a triangle ABC. Interior angles of triangle ABC. A, B, C are angles of the triangle ABC. Then you have to show that, to prove that. What you have to prove? Sine of B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A by 2. For solving such example, there are lot of methods. I am telling you one easiest method. Okay. See now. ABC are the angles of a triangle, and you know that addition of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Clear? Then what? B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. Divide by 2 to all terms. Then B plus C upon 2 is equal to 180 by 2 is what? 90 degree minus A by 2. Clear? Once again I am repeating the same. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. B plus C equal to 180 minus A. Divide by 2 to each term. Then B plus C upon 2 is 180 by 2 is nothing but 90 degree. A by 2 is as it is. Then see in the question what ratio you want here? Sine. Then apply sine to both sides. Sine B plus C upon 2 is Sine 90 minus a by 2. Clear? Now, sine 90 minus any angle, theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, and theta is whatever, a by 2. Therefore, at end, what statement you are getting? Sine b plus c by 2 is cos a by 2 proved. Got it? In this way, today we are completed the exercise 8.3. In the next lecture, we will see very important topic from this lesson, that are the trigonometric identities. Till then, you see the video, solve exercise 8.3 and revise the previous examples which we solve in such videos. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.